Hey there, boys and girls. Mrs. Kang here. Wanted to make a little short video on chapter 4 on the test that we have to take. So if you want to turn to page 35 in your student book, we're going to go ahead and get started and see if we can clear up any kind of questions that you might have in here. So number 1, yesterday, he spoke to the students about the location of ancient tribes of Indians. So you're going to do this. This is a test. Now, am I doing the test with you? Here's my concern. I want you to learn the material. At what point you learn the material, whether you learn it at the beginning of the school year or the end, as long as you learn it, that's what I'm interested in. So if you need this video, if you need this help and you need to learn the flow, and go ahead and push the button and we'll do it together. Question number 1. Who spoke to the students about the location of ancient tribes of Indian? He, subject pronoun. What is being said about he? He spoke, verb. 2, preposition. To whom? Students, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. About, preposition. About, preposition, about what? Location, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Tribes, object of the preposition. What kind of tribes? Ancient, adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Of whom? Indians, object of the preposition. Spoke when? Yesterday, adverb. Subject, noun. Verb, pattern 1, check. Check for prepositional phrases. To the students, prepositional phrase. About the location, prepositional phrase. Of ancient tribes, prepositional phrase. Of Indians, prepositional phrase. A period, a statement, a declarative sentence. And go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? Yes, there's an adverb at the beginning of the sentence. So I'm going to put 2 lines under the adverb. Mrs. King, if there's an award of the worst underliner, you would win it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Is this sentence in natural or inverted order? Okay, so as I was taping this, I just noticed I made a mistake. When they ask, is there an adverb exception? They're not talking about, is there an adverb at the beginning of the sentence? They're asking, is there an adverb before the verb? So when they said, is there an adverb exception? The answer, the real answer, the true answer, the correct answer is no. But when they ask the next question, which is this sentence in natural or inverted order? It's inverted because the adverb is at the beginning of the sentence. Or maybe they're going to have a preposition at the beginning. Okay, does that make sense? Glad I cleared that one up. How do you know that I didn't do that on purpose? And there lies the mystery. You will never know because I'm not going to tell. All right, number 2. Look at the world map on the south wall in the public library. Who? Look at the world map on the south wall in the public library. You, subject understood. What is being said about you? You look, verb. At, preposition. At what? Map, object of the preposition. What kind of map? World, adjective. The, article adjective. On, preposition. On what? Wall, object of the preposition. What kind of wall? South, adjective. The, article adjective. In, preposition. In what? Library, object of the preposition. What kind of library? Public, adjective. The, article adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern 1, check. Check for what? Prepositional phrases. At the world map, prepositional phrase. On the south wall, prepositional phrase. In the public library, prepositional phrase, period. command, imperative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. When I say divide the complete subject from the complete predicate, you put one line under the subject and 2 lines under the complete predicate. You know how well I do my lines, so I'm not going to write them. Number 3, gigantic trees stand on the carpet of green grass at the edge of the thick forest. What stand on the carpet of green grass at the edge of the thick forest? Trees. Subject noun. What is being said about trees? Trees stand. Verb. On, preposition. On what? Carpet. Object of the preposition. A, article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Grass, object of the preposition. What kind of grass? Green, adjective. At, preposition. At what? Edge, object of the preposition. The, article adjective. Of, preposition. Of what? Forest, object of the preposition. What kind of forest? Thick, adjective. A, the, article adjective. What kind of trees? Gigantic, adjective. Subject, noun, verb, pattern. 1, check. Check for prepositional phrases. On a carpet, prepositional phrase. Of green grass, prepositional phrase. At the edge, prepositional phrase. Of the thick forest, prepositional phrase. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Go back to the verb and divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. I refuse to write in my lines because they're not straight at all. Okay, boys and girls, if you look here, it says here, complete this noun table job right here using sentence 3. So sentence 3, they're asking you, what is the noun used in sentence 3? Well, here's the noun. It's trees. So you're going to put trees, and what's the job? Subject, noun. Then they said, is it singular or plural? Well, trees is plural. And is it common or proper? Now, that's a good question. What does that mean? Well, is it a special named tree or is it just a plain old tree? So it's common. Then the next noun is carpet. That's an object of the preposition. It's singular and it's common. Then number 12 is grass. It's an object of the preposition. It's singular and it's common. Then the edge is an object of the preposition. It's singular and it's common. And the last one is forest. It's an object of the preposition. It's singular and it's common. So you guys do that. Do this with the subject-verb agreement and do your editing, and you would have completed your entire test. So hopefully that helps, and I'll see you Tuesday.